gonna work on the Fuselage Station 10 bulkhead assembly. I've already deburred all the parts, got them laid out here. Let's go ahead and Cleco them together, rivet them together, and then I make a mistake right here. Do not rivet these holes. I'll need to drill these out and do it at a later step. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and install the Horizontal Stabilizer Incidence Adjustors with some AN3 bolts. Alright, next part we're going to install the Tailspring AFT Attach Block with some AN3 bolts. AN3-10A. It's a little bit longer. I did screw up riveting this. I just noticed in the plans it says do not rivet this top row. I did it. So at some point I'm going to be drilling those rivets out. I don't know what they're for right now, but I'll drill them out when I get to that part. Just leave them there. Alright, let's get on with the Tailspring attach block.